As you can see, folks, that helicopter right on top is doing something, I'm guessing. Reporting live from Euless, Texas. I have no idea, guys, what is the helicopter doing up there, but it's got to be something about the traffic, or maybe there's a high school right there, as you can see, and the helicopter is still up there. It's definitely Fox 4 News, you know. Pretty much just hovering up there, you know? Why would a helicopter just hover? I mean, there's got to be some kind of reasons, right? I'm guessing now it's leaving.